Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Independent Tutorials Group. And this jumping right into our project today, Kelly wanted a photo of Splash Mountain to be blurred out a bunch of the faces except for one. This is someone else's photo I'm borrowing for this tutorial. So let's jump right in with this. All we're going to do is unlock the picture. We're going to right click and make a duplicate. We want a duplicate because we're going to cut out of the faces off of the one layer, and the other layer we're going to blur. So let's turn off the bottom layer and take the top layer. We're going to grab an eraser, and it's set here at 75%. You want it to be, pretty big to cover that face. So I'm going to do like, I don't know, 85%, a little bit bigger. So you see how big the circle is? I'm going to click on each face that I don't want to, actually 2 times for each one. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Each time you click it, it does it a little bit bigger. And I'm going to leave this one here. Now when we turn on the bottom layer, the faces will pop back. But what we're seeing is the bottom layer's version through the holes. So if we grab that bottom layer and go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur, and you're going to see what's happening. See, those faces just blurred right out. So I can lessen them. I can make it harsher, the blur, and then I could just bring it back down to, I don't know, kind of where I want it. Let's say just where you can't distinguish who it is. Um, let's do it right around there, 3.1. Let's go 3.5. Now, if I needed more than that, all I have to do is go back to the top layer and grab my eraser and just click it one or two more times, and you'll see it's cutting the hole bigger. And that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. And now we got the blurred faces and one that's not. If I turn off the bottom layer, you're going to see the holes that are there on the top layer. That's all there's to it. This is Rich calling it quits for this tutorial and saying goodbye. Over and out.